Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have AutoCAD open and Essentials ready. Now get the Google Maps API key and confirm your AutoCAD edition supports GIS or image insertion. Once done, set the drawing units and coordinate system to match the map projection. This avoids scale and placement errors. Next, identify the latitude/longitude box or address you'll import. Make sure the API key has billing enabled and the correct services active so requests return imagery when you pull them into AutoCAD. Start fetching imagery. Use AutoCAD's Connect to Web Map if available, or request static tiles via the map's static API and save images. If you're comfortable, run a script or plugin to automate tile stitching. This reduces manual alignment. After inserting the image, place it roughly where it belongs, then geo-reference using at least 2 known points, preferably 3 for rotation. Make sure to lock the layer and set the correct scale so measurements in AutoCAD match real-world distances. Finish by converting important features to CAD vector geometry. Trace with polylines or import shapefiles if you extracted vector data. Once vectors are in place, tidy layers, set image transparency, and clip excess tiles so the drawing is clean. Finally, save a geo-reference DWG and a backup. If the map doesn't load, check the API key restrictions, billing status, and request limits. Also verify your plugin or script handles HTTPS and CORS correctly, then retry the import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.